Hey guys, it's Nick from the Wetseat here. I'm going to show you how easy it is to fit our tailored wet seat covers to a Hilux SR5. First, prepping the car, take the headrest off. Once you've done that, you just need to release this flap that's elasticized to the bottom of the seat. So just feel your way around it. Once you've done that, it'll enable you to get to the straps that will pass through this area here. So once you've got your covers in your hand, they are sided. So the airbag slit opening faces the door side. So to the left on the passenger, to the right on the driver's side. Once you've got your covers, there's a couple of little bits that need to be removed. The Velcro protectors on the inside of the backrest at the back. Pull them off. And now we're ready for fitting. This cover is a one-piece cover, so the first part that needs to be fitted is the backrest. The easiest way to do it is definitely in the car. So when fitting the covers, I always like to do the headrest holes first. So passing the cover through, tucking it under nice and neatly. Same thing on the opposite side. Do the button side first, then roll it over. From there, it's pretty simple. Getting a hand at the front and the back does wonders. Pull it down from either side, making sure this stitch line is in line with the contours of the seat. And just repeat on the opposite side. Okay, the next part is this rod that needs to pass through the crevice of the backrest and the base. The first thing to do is, to make things a lot easier, is pull these straps through one by one in order and have one hand at the back to pass it through. So I'm just passing the next one through now. These fabric ones are pull straps. They don't get fastened anywhere. They're to assist you in fitting. One more strap. You can do it from the front. Obviously I've done this quite a few times to be able to do it from the front, but sometimes it is easier to do it from the back of the seat. Once that's done, it's definitely recommended to turn them inside out. This ensures you get the alignment on the base right the first time. This loop is where the buckle passes through. Remove that Velcro protector again. And then there's a carpet that's attached to the side of the seat. That attaches to it, and that will hold in place. From there, you just roll over once it's aligned, keeping that nice line that we have, all the way through to the other side. The outer part, there's a rod that's wrapped in neoprene. It's designed to tuck into this area here, very close to the SRS airbag warning. That does not come out at all. Tuck the cover in between the seat trim and the seat cushion, and we're pretty much done on the passenger side. I always like to do the headrest fitting this way. It's a lot simpler. You generally will never have to remove it to try and refit it properly. Turn it inside out. This line here, the bottom of the headrest cover, will end up at the front on the bottom here. So once turned inside out, align the cover to the headrest. Let's just start rolling it down. Got it right the first time. Done. Last part in securing your wet seat covers is just getting the straps from the front to the back done. So the Velcro straps on the side, they'll basically just pass around the plastic skirt, the carpet skirt, and they will just reattach to itself on the inside of the backrest, like so, and the same on the other side. Now you're sometimes able to hide these straps a bit better. It's just all about being able to pass it up a little bit higher, just like that. And it's hidden there. And it's now going to be hidden on this side. So the last step is just hooking this elastic to the underside of the seat. There's two little loops on the underside. You can just feel them. That's one. That's two. So once that's done, you basically just repeat the same steps for the driver's side, nothing different. That easy, you can have it done in 10 minutes. Enjoy guys, thank you.